In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Google Slides in 2025 the easy way. Adding audio can make your presentations not only informative, but also much more engaging. So let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Google account credentials. This step is important because it ensures your work is saved automatically and synced across all your devices. Once you're in, you'll see the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. For this tutorial, let's go with a blank presentation to give ourselves a fresh canvas. Click on the blank option and your new slide deck will open. With your presentation ready, it's time to add some audio. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Audio. This will open a window where you can choose an audio file from your Google Drive. A quick tip, make sure your music file is already uploaded to Google Drive because Google Slides only accesses files from there. Once you've selected your audio file, click Select and your music will be added to the slide. You'll see an audio icon appear. This represents where your music will play from. You can move the icon anywhere on the slide to fit your design. You can also customize how the music plays. Click on the audio icon and use the formatting options to adjust settings like volume, playback, and looping. This ensures the music enhances your presentation without being distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your Google Slides presentation. The right audio can really set the tone for your slides and keep your audience engaged. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tracks to see what works best for your content. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools. See you next time. Happy presenting.